Howdy again, it's Mr. Pete, your YouTube shop teacher. Thank you for tuning in. And this is my annual Black Friday special on my video courses. I'm offering 6 of them this year instead of the 3 that I offered last year. And remember, these video courses are on flash drive or thumb drive. They are not DVDs, so make sure that you have a device that has a USB port so you can watch these. Now this discount is 50% off plus postage, so that's really a blowout deal. Great for Christmas presents or a gift to yourself. And I know times are tough, that's why I've lowered the price and making my video educational courses available, I hope, to everyone. And now the details on these courses. And here's how to order. In just a moment I will tell you the exact content of each one of the courses, but for now this is the pricing and how to order. Again, it's Mr. Pete's 3rd annual Black Friday special. On my 6 most popular courses we have 50% off on these days only, Monday, November 18th through Friday the 29th, and no other discounts may be applied, such as the veterans discount. Due to postal delays, I request that you email me for a price quote. This email will confirm the sale price when the check arrives, and there's my email address, and here are the titles of the courses. Number 1 is the Atlas Lathe course, and it retails for $150, and it's half off, so that's $75 only. Wow! How does he do it? Number 2 is the South Bend Lathe course, and it's also they're all 50% off, and that is $85. Number 3 is the Bridgeport Milling Machine course, and that is $85 with the discount. Number 4 is the Logan Lathe course, 50% off at $85. 5 is the Home Foundry course, that's only $75. And 6 is the South Bend Shaper course, also $85. Remember that if you have no experience whatsoever on these machines, these will be extremely helpful and will allow you to use your lathe probably with great skill and confidence. Please add $7 per order for postage, not per drive. Canadian orders require $18. Send the checks to Lyle Peterson, and there is my address. And I take cash, check, money order, or MoneyGram. And now, here's details on the courses. Remember that these courses are on a flash drive or a thumb drive, not on a DVD. And here, with course 1 are the 40 chapters and the titles of those chapters, and I will not read those to you, but I will also put up 5 other cards so you can see the chapter content of each one of these classes.